Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, I'm back again, and today what I got is I got this really cool armrest cover for my 2026 Tesla Model Y Juniper Edition. So just get started and take a look at it. It is from Bijurly. That's the name of the company, Bijurly. And just take a look at this armrest mat. So, came in the mail today. Got it right here. Looks like it's a hard plastic. Looks like it's like a carbon fiber design. Kind of a matte black. I would say it's not really too shiny, but seems like it'd be pretty easy to clean it. And really, all I'm going to do is it's just going to slide right over my armrest. So let's take a look at it. All right, first thing I'm going to do is take off my old one here. This thing here is a little flimsy. Plus, it's got a little dirty stains on it and kind of getting old. But anyways, it did its purpose. Reason why I want to put one on here is because I want to protect my armrest, because over the years of driving and me constantly holding on to it like this when I'm driving, right in this area, they normally get worn out. So that's the reason why I kind of want to put a new cover on it, and then that way hopefully this can just be replaced pretty easily without having to replace the armrest if I end up tearing it up, or my chain here or my rings or whatever, kind of rip it and mess it up. So anyways, all I'm going to do is I'm just going to lift it up like this. I'm going to take this and you just simply slide it over it. Just like this, until it gets all the way on there. And there we go. Finally got it on there. It's on there all the way. Fits pretty much all the way to the back. Just making sure it's on there. And now, with my hand right here rubbing on it, I can't do any damage to it, or at least to my armrest. It still closes, and now it's got something pretty easy to wipe off. If I was to spill anything or get dirty, I can just wipe it off with a baby wipe, probably. Something easy to clean it. And there you go. Overall, it's not bad. It is made out of plastic, a harder material. I don't know if you can hear that, but you can hear my chain hitting it every time. Not sure if I'm going to get used to that or not. But anyways, it does seem like it'll hold up pretty good. It's a pretty solid material. It fits it pretty good. It looks like it's supposed to be on there. It doesn't look out of place or anything. If this is something that you're interested in, the link will be down below. You can get it straight from Amazon. Click on it, it'll take you straight there. Again, it's from Bijurly, and they have some other items. You can go check them out. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching this video. If you haven't done so already, give me a like. Subscribe to the channel. I got more items that I'm going to be putting in my 2026 Tesla Model Y, the Juniper Edition, the newest one out right now. Most of all, guys, be safe out there, have fun, and keep driving. Check you later.